Yeah guys, just wanted to show you the small but very important design upgrade which Xiaobi has done now in the spring 2026 regarding their M.2 NVMe USB SSD reader. Here we have the old model and here we have the new model. I've already tested it, it's absolutely awesome, but let's get to the details. By the way, I got them for free from the seller to show you the really nice upgrade, but still my honest opinion, and you will be able to see everything live anyway. Of course, we still have the same impressive specs as the old one, supporting the USB 3.2 Gen 2 with up to 10 gigabits. I've already tested this one here and it has been performing really well, so I don't have to do the same performance test here again, because I'm sure they haven't changed the electronics inside, but what they have changed here really is the cooling design. Of course, also with the old model it has been very easy to add an M.2 NVMe storage card. We just push it down, push the flap to the back, push it fully down so it's nicely secured. So we had a little bit more space for the cooling paste, but still actually not enough. And so when we used this slider or this cover here, you can see it bumped against the cooling paste and shaved off a lot of it. Definitely not a perfect solution, even though it worked, but especially for reusage, definitely not optimal. So let's see how this works in the new case. Easy to open. Then we add the storage stick, push it down, can easily lock it here in the back. Yeah, perfect fit here I would say, but we have to know that of course it only supports NVMe and not SATA storage sticks. And now much easier to add the thermal paste here, add it here on top and just close the case. You can see I didn't have to apply a lot of pressure, fits absolutely perfect. And so I can easily use it plug and play USB-C here, and on the other side I have this 2-in-1, can use it directly with USB-C or also with the adapter to USB-A. Of course, if possible, USB-C is recommended. Just plug it in here and the files are automatically opened. I didn't have to do anything. Real perfect plug and play, and I don't have to be worried anymore about overheating. Of course, we also want to see if it's possible to remove the M.2 SSD easily after the work is done. So I just push this flap back here, take the SSD out, and so because we didn't shave off anything, I can easily remove the thermal paste and even put it onto this sticker here, protect it nicely from both sides again. Can even put it into this bag or just leave it here inside. I think that's the best place here to store it and keep everything ready for the next time. And we can also see this really nice upgrade regarding the heatsink here on top, something which we didn't have with the old model. I don't know what's underneath here, but on top definitely solid metal, probably aluminum. Definitely so much better than with this model here, even though it looked cool, but it was very difficult to use. This one definitely a huge upgrade, and so it's a full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. It's also very cheap, I think at the moment only around $15 for a really nice M.2 NVMe USB reader from the reliable Xiaobi brand. Definitely nothing to complain. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this M.2 NVMe reader, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.